This is day one of opening up MTG Bloomburrow booster packs until we find a card worth $5 or more. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, we have one of these really cool art cards. I've got about 3 in my collection now. I'll definitely be adding that one. Next up, we have Sunshower Druid. Then a full art forest card. Season of Loss. Mabel, Heir to Cragflame. Mudflat Village. Clifftop Lookout. Shoreline Looter. Cindering Cutthroat. Treetop Sentries. Take Out the Trash. Sky Skipper Duo. Scales of Shale. Crumb and Get It. Last card is Mind Spiral. Came real close to the $5 this time. See you tomorrow.